Aircraft relays are critical electrical components that control power distribution and system logic. In this video, we'll walk through the safe and correct procedure for aircraft relay replacement, following standard aircraft maintenance practices. Before starting any electrical maintenance, always follow safety procedures. Ensure the aircraft is electrically safe, power is removed, and maintenance documentation is referenced. This task must be carried out in accordance with the Aircraft Maintenance Manual, Wiring Diagram Manual, and applicable task cards. Confirm all electrical power sources are switched off. Disconnect external power and ensure batteries are isolated as per AMM. Identify the relay location using the Wiring Diagram Manual. Relays are commonly located in avionics bays, electrical panels, or equipment racks. Verify the relay part number, position, and function. Tag the relay and surrounding wiring to prevent incorrect installation. Carefully release the relay locking mechanism. Remove the relay without applying excessive force to avoid connector or wiring damage. Inspect the relay socket for corrosion, bent pins, contamination, or signs of overheating. Rectify any defects before installation. Install the serviceable relay of the correct part number. Ensure proper alignment and secure locking as per manufacturer instructions. Restore aircraft electrical power in accordance with the AMM. Monitor systems during power-up for any abnormalities. Carry out the required operational or functional test. Confirm the relay operates correctly and associated systems function normally. Record the relay replacement in the aircraft technical log and sign off the task as per regulatory requirements. Proper relay replacement ensures reliable electrical system operation and aircraft safety. Always follow approved maintenance data and procedures. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more aircraft maintenance procedures and aviation knowledge.